The KitchekShop Coffee Mug Warmer is designed to help keep your favorite hot beverages warm for longer while you work, study, or relax. Whether you're drinking coffee, tea, hot chocolate, or other warm drinks, this mug warmer helps maintain a comfortable drinking temperature throughout the day. One of its standout features is fast heating combined with multiple temperature settings, allowing you to choose the warmth level that best suits your preference. The easy-to-use controls make adjusting the temperature simple and convenient. For added safety and flexibility, it also includes an automatic shutoff function and a timer that can be set from 1 to 12 hours. This helps provide peace of mind while reducing the need to constantly reheat your drink. Designed for desks, offices, and home workspaces, this coffee mug warmer is a practical accessory for anyone who enjoys hot beverages and wants them to stay warm longer without repeated trips to the microwave. The Bomves electric spin scrubber is a cordless cleaning tool designed to make household cleaning faster and less physically demanding. Whether you're cleaning bathrooms, showers, tiles, tubs, floors, or other surfaces, this electric scrubber helps tackle dirt and grime with less effort. It comes with 8 replaceable brush heads, allowing you to choose the right attachment for different cleaning tasks around the home. The adjustable design offers 3 length options, making it easier to reach high, low, and hard-to-access areas without bending or stretching. With up to 90 minutes of working time on a single charge, this scrubber is designed to handle longer cleaning sessions. It also features 2 speed settings, giving you flexibility for both light cleaning and tougher scrubbing jobs. If you're looking for a convenient cleaning solution that can help save time and reduce manual scrubbing, the Bomves electric spin scrubber is a practical tool for keeping your home clean and fresh. Which product was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Check out the product links in the description and subscribe for more useful home and kitchen finds. Thanks for watching.